Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Expedia app review to see if it worth using. So Expedia app is a travel booking platform that allows users to search for and receive flight, hotels, car rentals, vacation package, and activities all in one place. It offers features like flexible date searches, bundling discounts, and a reward program called One Key, which lets you earn points on legible booking. The app also provides options for travels, insurance, and payment plan through HAPEMS. While Expedia can offer the competitive ideas, it's important to compare price and a direct booking, as some users have found better rate or peak when booking directly with airlines or hotels. The Expedia app is a convenient tool for planning and booking various aspects of your travel in one place. However, to ensure the best value, it's advisable to compare Expedia's offering with a direct booking option before finalizing your reservations. And that's it.